Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 9th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of my video. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, the euro dollar recently just made a really nice push down. This morning I was talking about how this really looks like an ABC. It went a little bit above the 100% area, but it really wasn't able to close above that area very hard. Now it totally looks like it's now should be in a five-wave move to the downside for a wave C, which would probably go down and test all these lows over here. So it definitely looks like an ABC. The problem is it's hard to know if these Trump news bombs that this move is caused by are really going to hold or not. I definitely do see the possibility of impulsive down because this looks like three waves up with a higher high, and this looks like impulsive down. It definitely could be one of those expanding ABC corrections that we often see. So if it does start to turn back up and become impulsive to the upside, it might actually go up because my alternative count unfortunately does have it going up because my alternative count is a 1, 2, 3, and then possibly right here is the 4, and we're in like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like ending diagonal wave 5. Definitely possible it turns back up, but it's tricky because it also looks like the end of a correction. It looks like it's going to go down. But if it turns back up impulsively, you should be able to tell the difference between an impulsive downtrend, which will maintain momentum, or a reversal to the upside, which would likely go back up towards these highs. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.